Trust your hearts. I have no doubt that you will each find your own secret ways to make this work. But consider this. Try to protect each other and hold on to yourselves. Today is the beginning of a whole new life for you. I love you both and congratulate you for taking this miraculous step together.
Jordan, I remember the day she told me about you and the way she sounded. I knew that whoever this was going to one day be my family.
Are you a crier? Do you think you'll tear up?
No, I will not cry. I don't think I will. I've never gotten married before though, so I'm not quite sure.
Am I looking? Can you spin? Can I spin her? Wow. The date was April 27th, 2015. The time, 8 p.m. The location, 37th and 3rd, at a little bistro called Hendrix. This was our first date. That was the day you became my world and ultimately my reason to exist. It was truly love at first sight.
You become my home and my whole heart. You understand me more than I understand myself. I promise to love you even when you're late. I promise to build you up when you're down. I promise to hold your hand forever, and I can't wait to spend life.
Roy, I don't recall ever seeing you this happy. You have worked hard your entire life to make your dreams come true. Your marriage to Jordan is one of those dreams.